Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Beautiful paint throughout the car, black interior as well, black stripes, nice bumper guards all around. Paint is gorgeous on the car. A really, really nice reflection throughout the entire car. Sits on BFGs. Great hot rod stance, as you can see. Engine compartment is clean. This one has a 350 rebuilt motor, power steering, power disc brakes with a 4-barrel Holley carb and headers. Underneath is clean as well. Black interior, newer door panels showing 79,862 miles. Nice dash, sun visors all intact, nice carpet. Original interior on this car, factory staple shifter, upgraded gauges as well. All right. Isn't that funny? Sounds good, right? It does. I want to take you guys for a test drive real quick. It's got a 350 trans in it as well. Let's see how this thing handles. Brakes work excellent. Power steering feels great. I don't hear any squeaks going down the road. Speedo works, fuel gauge functions, RPM tach works as shown. Comfy seats. Guys, honestly, this car is really sharp, man. Drives really nice too. Radio does function, old school cassette player. Shifts really good. This car definitely has a mild shift kit in it. It does shift into second gear a little aggressive. So it does have a mild shift kit. Like I said, power steering feels great to the car. No squeaks. I hit this thing sideways. Wow. For a 350, this thing is pretty badass. Love it. I want to extend this test drive. I usually turn off right now, but I'm going to go a little further. I love this thing. Wow. Yeah, buddy. All the gauges do function on the center console here on the pods. Chirps the tires, as you can see. Man, this thing is smooth. Suspension feels really, really tight on the car. I am impressed. All right, we're going to do a U-turn here, boys, and get back to the shop. All right, let's see what we can do here. Just going to mess around a little bit. Wow. Hope the cops didn't hear that. Oh boy. Anyway, MGM located at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois. We're 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, 45 minutes from Midway. I do offer delivery. You'll need to text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote. For financing, go to mgmclassiccars.com. You will need 10% down to finance the vehicle. And we will run your credit, obviously. Guys, gals, thank you for watching MGM. I'm pulling back up to the dealership now where we have over 150 beautiful classic cars on sale. Check us out. Talk later. Bye-bye. My number again, 847-848-1850. Call me or text me.